Austin homeowners appreciate bright interiors, architectural character, and energy-conscious living. With long, hot summers and mild winters, choosing the right windows can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and monthly utility costs. If you're looking for a way to enhance natural light and curb appeal without sacrificing efficiency, energy-efficient bow windows are an excellent option for Austin residences. These elegant, curved window systems combine visual impact with modern performance features designed to handle Central Texas weather. What makes bow windows unique? Bow windows are made up of 4 or more connected window panels that create a gentle outward curve. Unlike bay windows, which typically form sharper angles, bow windows provide a softer, more rounded appearance. This design offers expansive glass area, panoramic outdoor views, increased natural light, added interior space for Austin homes, where outdoor scenery and sunshine are part of daily life. Bow windows create a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. Designed for Austin's hot summers, Austin's summer temperatures often reach the high 90s and beyond. Without proper insulation, large window areas can allow significant solar heat gain, increasing the workload on your air conditioning system. Energy-efficient bow windows address this challenge with advanced features such as double or triple pane insulated glass, low E, low emissivity coatings, argon gas-filled glass units. Low E coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. This reduces indoor heat buildup and helps maintain a cooler, more consistent temperature. As a result, homeowners can enjoy the beauty of expansive bow windows without dramatically increasing cooling costs. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Although Austin winters are generally mild, occasional cold fronts can bring cooler temperatures. Energy-efficient bow windows provide insulation benefits year-round. Multi-pane glass and insulated frames reduce heat transfer, helping keep conditioned air inside your home. Whether you're running the AC in summer or the heat during a chilly evening, these windows contribute to steady indoor comfort. Insulated frame materials matter. The frame material plays a critical role in overall window performance. Modern energy-efficient bow windows are typically constructed using vinyl frames with multi-chamber insulation, fiberglass frames for enhanced durability, composite materials designed for thermal stability. These materials resist warping, cracking, and expansion caused by Austin's heat fluctuations. Strong frames help maintain tight seals and long-term efficiency. Reducing energy waste and utility bills. Large windows often get blamed for high energy bills, but when designed properly, they can actually improve efficiency. Energy-efficient bow windows help minimize air leakage, block excess heat, lower cooling demands, reduce HVAC strain over time. These benefits can translate into noticeable savings on monthly energy costs. Enhancing natural light without overheating. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is the way they flood interiors with natural light. In Austin, where sunshine is abundant, this reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. With advanced glass technology, you can enjoy bright rooms without the glare or overheating that older windows may cause. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Bow windows add architectural elegance that stands out in Austin neighborhoods. Their graceful curve creates visual depth and makes your home feel larger and more inviting. Homes with energy-efficient upgrades are also more attractive to buyers. Installing bow windows not only enhances beauty but also increases long-term property value. Professional installation ensures performance because bow windows extend outward and involve multiple panels. Professional installation is essential. Proper sealing, insulation, and structural support ensure that the window performs efficiently in Austin's climate. Expert installation prevents air leaks and moisture intrusion, maximizing both durability and comfort. A smart investment for Austin homes. Energy-efficient bow windows offer the perfect blend of style and performance. They brighten living spaces, improve insulation, and enhance architectural appeal, all while helping manage energy use in Austin's warm climate. For homeowners seeking a beautiful upgrade that delivers long-term comfort and efficiency, bow windows are a smart and rewarding investment.